If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and first to the face, I hear the voice, they don't know say a Cogency. But a Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have one Billz featuring Set the Trend, Only the Rain. Now, I know people been seeing it on my channel that I've been uploading some New York, Bronx drill, right? I'm just trying to let y'all niggas into what I'm listening to in my free time. You understand? Because the Bronx drill scene blowing up, bro. I don't even done blow up yet. Like, the niggas have a long... Why? These guys have a far way to go, but they're moving at a fast pace. You understand? So I don't want to miss anything. And the last song that I listened to from one Billz named No Adlibs, they previewed this at the end, and then when I clicked on it and I heard that it was this beat, I was like, fuck no, fam. I'm reacting to this on the channel. So, y'all niggas, just let me know what y'all think about this, because I'm listening to these niggas in my free time. Set the Trend, One Billz, K-Flock, Doggy B, TG, Crippy, Kenzo, Baller, AC, Zo. You know what I'm saying? So, you guys in the comments, let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about the Bronx drill scene, and you know what I'm saying? You don't know. Road to 2K. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, jump in the comments. I reply to all the comments. And if you don't comment, OG Bobby Brown, I go pimp slap the fuck out of you, bro. Look at him, bro. This nigga is coked out his fucking mind, bro. Don't let this nigga smack the shit up. God damn. OG Bobby Brown, they fucked your club up, bro. Shit. Don't make OG Bobby Brown not for deal with you, bro. Please. Anyway, I could jump in it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I could jump in it.
Hey, so you already know it's your boy PME Rock. Shout out to my man Spike Tarantino, man.
Illegal for 12 continuous hours.
Demon time.
Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m.
We purging?
Concludes.
Bro, when I tell you, you guys that watch my channel, you know how I feel about beats already, bro, and the 808s, fam. When I tell you that this beat, you're gonna hear it, bro. You're gonna hear it, bro. Listen, you know I don't bring fucker on my channel, bro. You know that. So if I'm bringing this on the channel, you know say it's something serious, dog. Believe me, though. Bro, believe me.
Our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Yeah. Oh.
We already on.
Oh.
Look,
Yeah.
time we ain't sending no warnings. We already on go from that to that blind and that's suing the road. We can't be with those outs, but William told. He was on court and he wasn't performing. We gotta get low, don't be waving no cabs. The boys being on.
Bro, fam. Now, how do you not turn up, fam? How the fuck do you not turn up to this shit, dog? Jesus Christ. The song literally just started. Literally, bro. Let's go again, though.
We already on.
We already on. Look.
What time we ain't sending no warnings. We already on go from that to that blind and that's suing the road. We can't be with those outs, but William told. He was on court and he wasn't performing. Damn, we no longer the bro. Shit shots on the after we gotta get low, don't be waving no cabs. The boys being on, cause he got us, so ain't no assist. I don't care what they try, cause I'm quick. Don't spin you on, got more than 6 stuff. Good ain't I think I'm trying to whip. Only look, yeah, I might take a bitch. Cause she love what I do with the click. Nah, she love how I move with the grip. No, I ain't tell her she peeped on my hip. Look, ain't no Scotty and Leaky, my brother. Touch Brim, juicy, they true look on down. Look, but see blue, how this cover look. Spin that block, yellow, take white cover. Look, I know
yo, see Blue has set the trend about song name No Ozone Part 2. Sick, bro, go check it out.
Juicy, they true look on down. Look, but see blue, how this cover look. Spin that block, yellow, take white cover. Look, I know Mally, a demon gon' boom before cover. The trend like on Billy, you bugging. I shoot in here, they ain't telling me no.
Yo, the man, yo, why you grabbing a nigga like that, bro?
Look, I know Mally, a demon gon' boom before cover. The trend like on Billy, you bugging. I shoot in here, they ain't telling me nothing. Spin that block and they all gon' start running. On the side with the time moving walkie. I might start to throw block, yelling Josh. They gon' fall, but they know they can't stop me. Nowadays, that me hitting like Lottie. Lost things down, now they skating like hockey.
I'm not turning up to You're going to see them, you're going to hear them say that name a lot, bro. You understand? And we're going to watch a video on that nigga today as well. But You know what I'm saying? Anytime they say that name, bro, stop dancing, bro.
Go fun, but they know they can't stop me. Nowadays, they me hitting like Lottie. Lost sticks down, now they skating like hockey. Rich rock, talking rap, then I'm top 3. Bitch rock, Hardy ran on his mommy. Crip, so we make catches like army. Low.
He said the nigga ran on his mommy. What?
Bitch rock, talking rap, then I'm top 3. Bitch rock, Hardy ran on his mommy. Crip, so we make catches like army. Low. One time we ain't sitting on warnings. Wow, we already go. Blood down a swoon of roll. Can't be with those ops, the William told. He was on court and he wasn't performing. Damn, no longer the bro. Shit, shots on the yacht, then we gotta get low.
What? He say he was on the block, but he's not performing, so he's no longer the bro?
So on court and he wasn't performing. Damn, no longer the bro. Shit.
Jesus. So, dog, you can't be outside with the man them and you're not. You know what I'm saying? You have to... Alright, bro. So, I guess I can't be outside with the man them, dog. Alright, bro. I'll stay inside then.
Be with those ops, the William told. He was on court and he wasn't performing. Damn,
ain't
no longer the bro. Shit, shots on the yacht, then we gotta get low. Don't be waving no cabs, the boys being old.
Stay on the corner, I'm calling for JP. I'm the best, that's the reason
They hate me.
The
Feature they pay me, bro. This was the preview they put it down. So if you hear me rapping, don't ask me why I know this, bro. It was in the preview.
Stay on the corner, I'm calling for JP. I'm the best, that's the reason
they hate me. The feature they pay me. They will play these. You're muffin.
Do nothing. Set the track, got the 6 block jumping. Made him run, no, he mad that I blocked him. Already look at the drop in the function. If he talk with Dre Rip, I'ma dust him. 12 stops, I'm a little for dozen. Head taps and I'm right with his buzzing. I ain't taking no cabs, can't go like Raul. Thought he was.
Bro, I was just about to say, bro, like, these niggas, like, love talking about dead niggas, and then he said the nigga name. Alright, bro.
That I bluffed him. Party lick got the drop in the
No, I have to pull up the verse, though, bro. This is sick.
No longer the bro. Shit, shots on the yacht, then we gotta get low. Don't be waving no cabs, the boys being old.
Stay on the corner, I'm calling for JP. I'm the best, that's the reason they hate me. Many of the views wanna feature them pay me. When it's not their block, they don't play deep. How you move, you got head of your muffin. Made him move when y'all still do nothing. Set the track, got the 6 block jumping. Made him run, no, he mad that I bluffed him. Party lick got the drop in the function. If he talk with Dre Rip, I'ma dust him. 12 stops, I'm a little for dozen.
Head taps on the right was busting.
I ain't taking no cabs, can't go like Raul. Thought he was stepping, but my niggas stomping. 5 shots hit him and you know he went bye-bye. Know they was sick when they woke up that morning. Roll up some TNT, call it explosive. Got the
Nigga say...
was buzzing. I ain't taking no cabs, can't go like Raul.
Oh, so... Okay. So, I mean, he's blurring out the names now, because before they weren't blurring out that nigga's name, bro. They used to say that nigga's name, like... You know what I'm saying? But I guess, alright.
I'm a little for dozen. Head taps and I'm right with his buzzing. I ain't taking no cabs, can't go like Raul. Thought he was stepping, but my niggas stomping. 5 shots hit him and you know he went bye-bye. Know they was sick when they woke up that morning. Roll up some TNT, call it explosive. Got the perk, I keep taking these doses. Spin that block, slow motion. No, I ain't neighbor, but you know I'm rolling. Get low, we put sticks on them choppers. Woke up, get close to it proper. Every people from deep know we got one. Straight face, still lie to your honor. They know. They know. Like what?
Where we are, know where you are.
Is that Flock? Gang. The Flockers. Yo, if any New York people watching my video right now, bro, what is Hood Star Ray, bro? What is that, bro? Because when I heard him say it in the No Ozone Part 2 as well, but I don't know what that means. Ah, man. Shadow, dog. Shit. This is 6 still. Hold on. We have our next song?
They got orders, got some of them tootin'. Orders like I could do this shit to them. In the gym, I know cuz with a boom to. You get booking on top, better.
Bro, one Billz, bro. Bro, this don't disappoint you though. This sample is slapping.
Tootin', orders like I could do this shit to them. In the gym, I know cuz with a boom to. You get booking on top, better poof em. Straight pound, I got lows that I'm moving. Big Glock with a scope, it can zoom in. I know dummy was dumb if I liked it, I'm stupid. Thought I fell off till I'm tune in. Summertime only gas to be too lit. Slap his bitch on the ass, now I'm too lit. Use 5, I'm searching for new drip. Let it off anywhere, even too fit. Made me do it for who, leave him toothless. I was clueless until I found music. I was hooping with Jai, he was booming. He don't do this, no, he not with
Beat on my chest like I'm Caesar. You'll never be a follower, I'm a leader. Go in for these high lows, see you with your bitch. I'ma let you run and I'ma leave her. 2 230s, geek up. 10 back pays, breach up. Seen her with 13, leave her. Cause you know that pussy getting beat up. You broke and sit home with your feet up. You fuck with the littest, eat up. I fuck with the realest and treasures. Catch them slip and turn them into reefer. Something on your chest that can speak up. Otherwise, nigga, keep your knees tucked. They talk on the net, but they freeze up. Put the knock to his hell of the hero. Like, put it up, put it up, put it up, bada, bada. Something like that to your time. I know I'm gonna be
Yo, bro. Fam, the man just put out his second video. I'm already on the third video already, bro. I swear to you. I already on the third video already, but fam, like, no joke, fam. Uno really tell me, cause me, you don't know me already now, bro. The reason why I'm doing this is cause I rate this shit, fam. I like this shit. So, how would I rate this? I give this 9 out of 10, right? So, in the comments, tell me what you think about it, dog. You see me, I said, tell me if you think so the Bronx drill is next up. Tell me if you don't think it's next up. Tell me if you think one Billz are set the trend next up. You know what I'm saying? Tell me, just tell me anything in the comments, yeah, but tell me what you think about this. Road to 2K, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, jump in the comments. I reply, I like all the comments, but you don't know. Cogence and the Cogence Jacks channel. I like this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.